Medical marijuana has become one of the most increasingly used drugs throughout the United States in the past 5 or 10 years. There are many reasons for that, and I'll give you a few. I'm going to give you 7 reasons of why medical marijuana can be used and how it can be good. There's been a study by JCI Insight that found that CBD lowered blood pressure of human participants. So this proves that if you have high blood pressure, you can take some CBD of any sort and lower your blood pressure. CBD can also be used to reduce inflamed areas. Has been and proven to reduce neuropathic pain. Sorry for that. But it can also prevent relapses from drugs and alcohol addictions. So CBD can reduce the stress induced cravings that anxiety brings along after you stop taking your certain drug or stop drinking alcohol. CBD can also treat anxiety disorders. This is probably one of the most popular reasons CBD is used in the medical field in pharmaceuticals. And it has been proven to help all sorts of anxiety disorders, including depression and anxiety, of course. But there's one thing you probably wouldn't expect CBD to be able to help prevent or even stop, and that is GI disorders. It can treat things like irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, and Crohn's disease also. Everybody knows what Crohn's is, of course. It is a terrible thing. It can also be used to prevent ulcerative colitis, which you hear about on TV nowadays, both medicine going around. But CBD is a natural medicine that is found on the earth and grows on the earth. CBD can also be used to prevent seizures. Decades of research have actually been behind this, and it backs up these CBD to prevent forms of epilepsy and other forms of seizure syndromes. Now, the craziest part of this is CBD can be used to prevent or fight cancer. So it is used to lessen the symptoms of chemotherapy. Whenever a cancer patient, is going through chemotherapy, it can help them get back up on their feet again after being knocked down from all that disease-killing therapy. And it can also, in cervical cancer cases, it induces cell death and has numerous anti-cancer effects throughout it. So medical marijuana has easily become one of the best drugs the USDA has came out with, and we are just getting started with legalizing.